Okay, so let's begin with the overview of the respiratory system. So respiratory system consists of the process of respiration, where the respiratory rate, that is normal, it is between the range of 12 to 16 breaths per minute. Types of respiration, if we see, there are two main types, that is external and internal respiration. Where external respiration, it is the type of respiration where the exchange of the respiratory gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide, that takes place between the lungs and the blood. Whereas if we talk of about the internal type of respiration, it is where the exchange of gases takes place between the blood and between the tissues. Second point regarding the overview is about the phases of respiration. So there are two major phases of respiration, of which one is an active process, the other is the passive process. Active process involves the process of respiration where actively we inspire, and that is where the air is taken from the atmosphere into the lungs. Whereas expiration, it is a passive process where air leaves into the atmosphere. So this is the basic structures associated with the respiratory system. Just have a quick overview about it. And this is about the demarcation, that is between the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract, where upper respiratory tract, that is up to larynx, and beneath it, it consists of the lower respiratory tract. Also, two important thing that is to be learned here is, one is about what is respiratory unit and what is respiratory membrane. Now, respiratory unit, it is the terminal portion of the respiratory tract, that is bronchioles and the group of alveoli. So this is a whole, you can consider it as the respiratory unit where the exchange of gases takes place. Whereas respiratory membrane, it is the membrane through which the exchange of gases takes place, and that is between the alveoli and between the blood. Okay, next moving further towards the functions of the respiratory tract. So functions of respiratory tract, it involves obviously the exchange of gases. It aids in humidifying the air. It don't allow the dust particles to enter into the tract, and if it enters, it is removed out through reflexes, that is cough reflex or sneeze reflex. It acts as a defense mechanism. It is very useful for maintenance of water balance in the body, and also for the regulation of body temperature and the acid base balance. Also associated with the swallowing reflex, that is deglutition reflux. So that is all about a quick overview of the respiratory system. Thank you for watching and hope it proves useful to you.